Oh, there's another tornado. We got twin tornadoes. We got two of them. That one's going rapidly. Wow. That's amazing. That is so amazing. I'm going to zoom in on this one for just a second. The other one's still strong, obviously, to say the least. All the way from Alabama out here to northwestern Oklahoma. We didn't see anything all day. Well, we saw some things. Nothing like this. Pretty amazing. Twin tornadoes. And they're both staying down for a fairly long period of time. We're going to look back over here at this one a little closer. They're approaching the general vicinity. I'm not real familiar of this area, obviously not being from Oklahoma. But I'm just south of Cherokee, Oklahoma. We saw the tornadoes a few minutes ago, or the tornado a few minutes ago, northwest of Carmen, Oklahoma. We decided made a wise decision in terms of spotting to drive up toward Cherokee and try to intercept it again. They're both still on the ground. This original tornado is definitely going into the so-called road stage. Trying to. Let's look at them both. Look at the storm in general. It's an awesome sight of nature. I pray that no one is in their path. That's one thing I like about Oklahoma. There's a lot of empty space where no people live. You know what? They're both still on the ground. They're both still clearly on the ground. The original one is still going strong. That's it. And now let's see if we can take a closer look at the twin. That one seems to have really grown, but it's hard to tell. It's so far away. You can't see it, but I would almost guarantee that one is on the ground. Just because you can't necessarily see the funnel on the ground doesn't mean it's not. Quite an amazing sight. I hope and pray no one's anywhere near them, and if they are, they're in a basement. Backlit by a sunset. Still on the ground. Lots of cloud to ground lightning off to the right of the picture that you can't see on video. It's around 8 o'clock or so. I can re-verify this timing later on the video. They're still down. The one on the right, it's getting really hard to tell now. It doesn't appear to be on the ground, but I would not be so sure. Lots of traffic going up that way. I hope those people don't get themselves in trouble. The original tornado is still clearly on the ground. Let's focus in on it. Quite an amazing sight. I called a friend, Jennifer New, who reported the tornado for me to the National Weather Service as we were driving up this area. So I'm glad that we got a report in, and I'm sure there's many reports. I don't think that's going to be a problem at this point. The other tornado is either too far away to be seen, or it's gone. Probably gone. This one's clearly in the rope stage. Unfortunately, my camera is... That's about it. I think we've seen it. What an amazing sight.